Good morning, children. The next topic of electric current is electric shock. What is electric shock? Electric shock is nothing but what? A sudden discharge of electricity. Means what? The charge is discharging suddenly through a part of our body or disturbance made inside the body is called as nothing but what? Electric shock. Electric shock is nothing but what? A sudden discharge of electricity through a part of body. When sudden discharge of electricity takes place, we can call that one as nothing but what? Electric shock. How this particular electric shock can be caused? Faulty appliances. If the appliances are not connected properly, electric shock can be appear. Damaged cords if they are existing, or wires are not connected properly. Not only that one, electrical appliances, what else we are using in our household appliances, when they are in contact with water, this electrical shock can be appear. Not only that, during summer and rainy season, we will see the thundering lightning from the cloud to the earth. It also gives nothing but what? Electric shock for a person. A sudden discharge of electricity to a part of our body is called as electric shock. This electric shock is experienced when there is a potential difference. There must be consisting of potential difference. Potential difference means what? Between 2 points, there must be consisting of 2 points there itself. If there are existing 2 points, one is at high potential, other one is at low potential between two parts of the body. If it is existing, when potential difference is existing, then only electric shock can make it appear. As current is passing through that particular body, part of a body, it always opt a point in such a way that which offers low resistance. Means what? High flow of current can be taken place. Why? Means current flowing is inversely proportional to resistance. As current flow increases gradually, resistance offering will be less. As current flow is less, resistance offering will be more. Based upon this particular point, we can get clearly that resistance offered by body depends upon flow of current. And we know that current always chooses a path through which electricity can pass, which offers very less resistance. Through that particular path, it can be get moved up. It can be get moved up. Means what? Where if it is offering less resistance, it will get what? More current is flowing through our body. If you are going to our human body is not it is not having a uniform resistance. It is not having a uniform resistance throughout our body. Among all the parts of our body, skin is the only part which offers more resistance, than that of other parts of our body. And this electric shock exists is nothing but what is electric shock? What else we are experiencing? It is a combined nature of a combined effect of three different things. One is potential difference, current flowing in a circuit, as well as resistance offered. We know that in our household appliances, how much potential difference will be there? 240 volt will be there. A constant potential difference. VI is directly proportional to potential difference. A constant potential difference, it is inversely proportional to resistance offered. If current flowing in a circuit increases, resistance offered gradually decreases. If current flowing in a circuit gradually decreases, resistance offered will be gradually increases. Therefore, a constant potential difference, if current flow is there, resistance offering will be low. If current flow is less, resistance offering will be more. Depending upon this law of Ohm's law, V is equal to IR formula, we can frame the formula based upon current I is equal to V by R formula. Based upon that, current flow can be taken place. Now see here we are taking certain things. There is 5 different points are taken in which I ampere of current is flowing it up and affects. If current flow is of 0.001 ampere, 0.001 ampere, what happens there itself can be felt. We can experience some shocks. Current flowing from our body can be experienced to some extent. That is the first point we can give it up. Second point is what? If current flow is taking place with an ampere of 0.005 A, if it is 0.001 means what? Resistance offering is more. As resistance offering more can be felt, we can see current is flowing through our body. Simultaneously, if you go for 0.0058 ampere, current flow is increasing gradually. If you compare with this one, resistance offer will be gradually decreases than that of the above one. Due to that reason, our body experiences some pain. By means, little bit more current is flowing through our body. It experiences some pain to our body. Next one is what? If you are going another point, 0.005. Now I taken as what? 0.010 ampere. Current is flowing. Means what? More current is flowing than that of the above one. Due to that reason, less resistance it is offering. Due to that reason, which causes involuntary muscles will be get affected. Where these involuntary muscles exist in our body? We can find it out. Involuntary muscles exist in eye. Due to that reason, sudden light is falling on our eyes, we'll close our eyes. Unfortunately, without knowing ourselves, cautiousness, we'll close our eyes. Simultaneously, in stomach also, involuntary muscles will be existing. Not only that, in heart also there will be consisting of involuntary muscles existing there. Nerve system also consisting of involuntary muscles. So that all involuntary muscles will be affected as resistance offering is lesser than of above 2. Therefore, more current passes. Therefore, it causes involuntary muscles to be get affected. Next one is how if it is moving a little bit greater current than that of above one, 0.15 ampere of current, it causes loss of muscle control. Muscle cannot be get control, it can be get fall off. It cannot be stabilized itself. It cannot be stabilized, it can be get fall off. Muscle cannot be get existing in a proper shape. If current is flowing is more than that of this one, 0.070 ampere. If it is flowing this much ampere of current, more than 1 second, if it is flowing through our body, our body will be affected by one disease, that is what heart attack can be obtained. For that, what a person can be get died. So, while using these appliances, all the appliances in our home, we have to take care not to attain any electric shock to our body. Therefore, if you are being cautious regarding all the things, so that what to some extent we can overcome electric shock, so that we can protect ourselves. By this we have completed our topic called as what electric shock, children. And one more question will be there. That question is what? Why doesn't bridge gate get shocked when it is stand on a high voltage wire? A bird is staying there itself. 3 wires will be there for a pole. A bird, if you will observe crow as well as pigeon, etc. so on, will be standing on one particular wire. So that what happens, it won't be get died, but if you hold it up, our body will be get died there itself. Why the bird is not getting died is what? Potential difference is not existing between two things. Between 2 points it is not existing. As it is standing on only one wire, potential difference is existing between 1 point only it is existing. Due to that reason, bird cannot be get died. But if that bird keeping one leg on one wire and another leg on another wire, then what happened? Potential difference existing between those 2 points. So that current starts flowing from high potential to low potential. As current flows through the body, that body, if it is more than 0.07 ampere of current, within 1 second, what happened? That particular bird or animal can be get died. This is the reason why a bird doesn't get shocked as it is standing on one wire. By this we have completed electric shock concept, children. Be aware of this particular topic and try to get good marks. We are going to discuss about a new topic called as specific resistance. Before going to the topic called as specific resistance, let me recapitulate the concept what we have studied in previous class. In previous class, we have studied about resistance, electrical resistance means what, and what factors does electrical resistance exist. We have seen it up. First one is temperature, second one is nature of material, third one is length of the wire, fourth one is area of cross sections. Depending upon these four factors, resistance offering will be changed, it will be get vary. We have seen clearly. Within that, a new topic is nothing but what? Specific resistance. Every material will be having a specific resistance. What does it mean? What does it mean is nothing but what? If you go for the formula, resistance is equal to rho into L by A if I am taking that. Where rho is called as specific resistance, it is nothing but what? Resistance of a wire. Resistance of a wire of a specified material. Any one specified material of unit length or taken length is equal to 1 unit, area of cross section is equal to 1 unit. Therefore, resistivity of material or specified material will be equal to resistance. Will be equal to resistance. That is called as specific resistance, which is denoted with rho symbol there itself. Formula of specific resistance is what? Rho is equal to R indicates resistance, A indicates area of cross section, by length of the wire will give nothing but what? Specific resistance. If we go for the table, I said for specific material, in page number 191, we are having table 3. Within the table, various material he has given there. A specified material of different things: nichrome wire, magnet wire, iron wire, copper wire, tungsten material, so on. Different material he has given there. For different material, there will be having a specific resistance. A specific resistance will be get existing. This specific resistance, it is a what property means what? Intrinsic property. It is an internal property of the material. Whereas resistance is what? External property of the material. Whereas here, specific resistance is what? Internal property of the resistance. We can give it up. Next one is what? It always specified for same for what? Same for same material. For same material, it exists same there itself. It doesn't vary as the material is remaining same. If length, it is independent of length as well as area of cross section. Therefore, for an individual material will have its own specific resistance. For example, nichrome will have its own specific resistance of value is equal to, and silver it will be having its own specific resistance. Simultaneously, what happened there? Copper will be having its own specific resistance. In page number 191 page, table 3, we can see different materials. And units of this particular specific resistance. We know that resistance is measured in what? Ohm. Area is measured in what? Meter square. Length is measured in what? Meter. Meter square will be cancelled. Ohm meter is nothing but what? Units for specific resistance. Specific resistance. And this specific resistance is independent of length of the wire as well as area of cross section or geometrical factors. It is independent. But whereas resistance is dependent upon four factors: temperature, nature of material, geometrical factors. But whereas here independent of geometrical factors but dependent on temperature as well as nature of material. Depend upon temperature as well as nature of material. 1 by rho indicates nothing but what is reciprocal of resistance. We can call it up. Reciprocal of resistance is called with another name. That name is called as conductivity. conductivity. Depending upon the values of resistivity or specific resistance, how much conductivity the metal exists can be easily identified. Depending upon the values existing or depending upon the values of resistivity or specific resistance, we can identify the how much conductive nature does a metal exist. We can identify that. If you go for metals itself, we are having here we have taken different types of materials such as metals is one, filament material, insulators, alloys, semiconductors. These all are different era of materials there. If you go for metals, metals offer what as there will be free flow of electrons. Electrons freely flow from high potential to low potential. It offers low resistivity. As it offers low resistivity, these are good conductors. We can call them up. These are called as what? Good conductors. Next one is what? Filaments. The bulb consisting of a filament called as material made up of tungsten. All the filaments offers what? High resistivity nature will be there. As it is offering high resistivity nature, it converts electrical energy into heat energy. It means what? Heating effects can be shown much more clearly by using filaments. Simultaneously, if you go for insulators, we know insulators are much more high resistivity nature than that of all the elements, in which the order is how much? The resistivity order is 10 to the power of 14 to the power of 10 to the power of 16 specific resistance of that particular material ohm meter it will be get existing there. As it is having more resistivity nature, it offers very low conductivity nature there. That is regarding insulator. Coming to alloys, when it comes to alloys, factors affecting the resistivity within the first factor, temperature and resistance. I have clearly explained that some alloys, some metal, pure metals will offer directly proportional to temperature. As temperature increases, resistance offering will be gradually increases. But whereas in alloys, what happens there itself, depending temperature variation, also change in conductivity nature of the particular metal. There I explained clearly once you go through that particular topics. Now coming to alloys, I have taken nichrome alloy as well as manganese I have taken there. Whereas nichrome is made up of decayed chromium as well as iron. When it comes to manganese, it is made up of manganese, copper, manganese as well as nickel it will be get there. If you go for these alloys, within this 30 to 100 times greater than the top metals there itself. If they will be having resistivity of greater than the top 30 to 100 times more than the top metals it will be existing. Therefore, they also offer resistivity. They also offer little bit high resistivity than compared to the top metals. Coming to what? Resistance, and these are within these alloys. Resistivity varies depending upon temperature. As temperature increases or decreases, depending upon that one, resistivity also will be greater. Varies due to this reason. These alloys are used for what material? To prepare heating elements, to prepare toaster, micro oven, etc. So on. We'll use it up, which converts electrical energy into heat energy there. That particular point we have to keep in our mind. Next one is what? Semiconductors. Intermediate stage of metals as well as insulators are called as what? Semiconductors. They are nothing but what? Moderate resistivity. At 0 degree Kelvin, these semiconductors will act as high resistivity. As temperature increases, the resistivity of material will gradually decreases. That's the reason they can behave as conductors as well as insulators. So that if it is having it will have low resistivity when it is greater than of metal, 10 to the power of 5 to 10 to the power of 10. More than metals, if it is having, it will have moderate resistivity. When it comes to insulators, 10 to the power of 15 to the top 10 to the power of 16, it will be having lesser than the of the insulators, as it will be existing in between insulators as well as materials. Metals as well as insulators. Intermediate stage of metals as well as insulators, they will be having, they offers moderate resistivity there. By using this particular semiconductors, we can prepare different types of devices, electrical components, such as electronic devices integrated circuits we can prepare it, PV components we can prepare it, we can prepare it up. Not only that one, mobile, computers, etc. All the electronic devices which are existing within that one can be prepared by using this particular semiconductors. By this we have completed specific resistance, which is also called as resistivity, denoted by mode symbol rho. Reciprocal of resistivity is nothing but it is called as conductivity. Thank you, children.